Hello. Today we're going to talk about easy and newest way to receive 4,000 watch hours, your own. No need any VPN services, only you need is dummy Google account. Just follow the video instructions. Before the video, subscribe our channel and get more videos.
Sign in into your dummy Google account. Then, find the channel that you want get views. Select the videos, and mark them as watch later. And check them in watch later section. I have selected 3 videos. And go and clear the browser history. As for the video, go and open new incognito window, or private browser. Now, again sign into YouTube with your dummy account. Play all videos, in watch later section. Make the volume down, playback speed high and video quality low. And make the duplicate browser windows 5 to 10, and let them play. Then, clear the YouTube history, and repeat same steps after 1 hour. This is a very easy and safe way to receive your watch hours. See you soon with a new video. And, don't forget to subscribe my channel.